It's American racing headers, the long tubes. Yeah,
they're great.
Yeah, they're short.
They're equal. They're equal length, short tubes.
Yeah, I know.
So I wanted a bit of bottom end torque because it is a truck.
Short cam, long tubes, man.
This thing's like loud.
Oh, that's loud, man. What? Dude, that's a bit much, bro. Oh, dude, that highway poles are gonna be freaking insane on this thing.
Downtown, I was like, I'm trying to chill.
What the heck? Dude, that's insane. Was it, you put long tubes?
Long tubes with catless mids.
What long tubes again?
BBKs.
BBKs? Yeah. With catless, eh? But you have cats, right?
Oh yeah, no,
yeah, you got cats.
They're high flow cats.
High flow cats?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Inline. You can't really see them.
Hang on, I get a video of that. Gotta love it. That's so loud, man.
Hey, put the smile on my face.
Wow.
Headers,
Everything.
custom gram cam.
Yeah. MBRP3, I'm sure.
Inch, yeah.
You'll see these with MBRP.
And I'm running
Right?
cats.
No.
And I'm running cats.
Can we hear it?
Yeah,
That'd be great.
It's
It's
very,
good to
it's
start.
very mild.
Not bad. Does it have a whine to it? Like a supercharger one? Yeah? Wow. And we were running cats
Yeah, I'm
because
running cats.
you love the environment, right?
That's right.
Exactly. Damn, bro. Damn. Yo, legit, bro. That's so loud.
Not quiet.
Yo, you got it. So you run some boost?
Yeah, I'm running my Pro Charger.
Yep, flow charger.
Pro Charger.
Oh, nice, bro.
Full charged.
Did you do the internals?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fully forged internals, cam,
Boom.
headers, cataly.
Yeah.
I got everything.
Shit.
Fucking fast, man.
Dude. You have Hellcats run for their money?
640 to the wheel, 768 to the frame.
What's up, bro?
What's going on?
What's up, man?
How you doing?
Things fierce, man. Oh, we pulled, dog. Holy fuck. Oh, yeah, motherfucker. Sharp, bro. What the f? Oh, you got dumps?
So, yeah, so I can run it. Dumps
Both, do both, yeah.
and dumps open.
Yeah, okay.
Supplies last.
Oh, that's way better. Do you notice, is it quicker with the dump?
It likes it better with the dumps open.
Yeah.
What happened was when Tony did all the work,
Yeah.
I couldn't keep them closed.
Oh, yeah.
So when I trained the ECM after the cam,
Oh, I see what you're saying.
it now prefers anything over 20 to 26 degree weather.
Yeah.
And the dumps open.
Oh, this is cam too?
Oh yeah.
What?
So what's funny is, remember when we saw Drive Clean?
Yeah.
You know, your engine light has to be off.
Yeah.
If I close the dumps, the engine light comes on.
Wow.
Because it trained it with the dumps open.
Yeah.
So it wants to have the dumps open to have the proper fuel mixture. As soon as I close the dumps, it's like, I'm starving.
What kind of cam are you running?
It was the one that Tony designed. So it's
really?
actually a special grind that they did in order to actually increase my fuel economy,
Yeah.
but also give me more torque.
Nice.
So my car does 9.8
Really?
per 100,000 kilometers.
That's not bad.
I drove here from Niagara Falls. My needles barely left full.
Yeah. That's amazing.
Like
The both worlds.
best of both worlds.
Yeah.
So I went up to a solo.
Oh, solo. Everyone's gonna solo.
They will be walking around
all the way back.
Yeah.
I upgraded to the 6.1.
What kind of exhaust on there?
SRT, full length header.
Oh, yeah.
And then American racing headers.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's American racing headers along too?
They're great. They're great.
Yeah.
It may totally change the vehicle. It dropped a pound of boost, obviously, because
Yeah.
it doesn't create the boost on the lower end, but
Yeah.
you gain at the top end. No
Can we
problem.
hear it? I just want to hear one. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, this guy's got the right setup with the bag on the air filter,
Yeah.
right?
Mine was constantly dirty.
And Paradas too.
Yeah, for
Jeez. That's loud, man. Woo. Damn. That is.
It's okay, right?
Oh yeah, it's just.
Cops love it.
Oh yeah.
What's up, buddy? Finally made it.
Oh damn.
It's in the park. It's in the park.
That's crazy.
Audi R8. Yeah.
I love this. It's great.
And of course, here's my dad's car. Where's the Bugatti?
Right in the corner.
Oh, in the corner.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Thank you.